Smart Fortwo with a 451380 chassis. So coolant level up to the maximum. Put coolant tank cap on. Ignition coils out, spark plugs out, fuel injectors disconnected, crank the engine with starter alternator. Second time. Third time. Let's see the coolant level. So coolant level the same. No pressure has built at all. So once again, crank the engine with spark plugs out. Second time. Third time. Check coolant pressure. No pressure at all. Now I'm going to install spark plugs and leave the ignition coil uninstalled, and also the fuel injectors disconnected, and crank the engine, and you will see the coolant pressure rises immediately, and the engine temperature is 10 degrees of Celsius, and I'm going to show you that as well. Spark plugs in, coils out, ignition coils out, injectors disconnected, cap on again, crank engine, Once again. Once again. Okay, now look at the coolant. Head gasket has gone. This is the coolant temperature with a few cranking. Look. So head gasket has gone completely severe leak.